Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today's title is Oversleeping Disaster. In this video, you will watch a short and simple story about Ken and Mina, two university students living together. This morning, Ken has a serious problem. He oversleeps on the day of an important test. Will he make it to school on time? Don't worry, the English is slow and easy, so please relax and enjoy listening. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully and try to find the answer. Today's question: why did Ken oversleep? The answer is mentioned in the story. If you find it, please write your answer in English in the comments section. Even one short sentence is okay. Writing in English is a great way to improve your English skills. All right, are you ready? Let's start the story.
What time is it? Wait. No. It's already 8:30.
Ken, what's wrong?
I overslept. I really overslept.
What? Overslept? How late is it?
It's 8:30. 8:30 in the morning.
Oh no, that is late.
Why didn't I wake up earlier? This is terrible.
Calm down. Panicking won't help.
I have a test today. A test. First period.
First period? What time does it start?
It starts at 9 o'clock.
So you have 30 minutes?
Only 30 minutes? That's not enough time.
Okay, calm down. Let me think.
I can't calm down. This is bad. This is really bad.
Ken, listen to me. How long does it take to get to school?
About 20 minutes, maybe 25.
Then we need to hurry. Get up now.
You're right. I need to hurry.
I'll help you get ready.
Thank you. I don't know what I would do without you.
You would probably still be in bed.
That's probably true.
Come on, let's go. Every second counts.
Right. Let's do this.
Ken, get dressed first, quickly.
I don't know what to wear. Where are my clothes?
Just wear anything. Here, this shirt and these pants.
Okay, I'm putting them on.
Did you wash your face yet?
No, not yet.
Go wash your face. I'll get your bag ready.
Thank you. I'll be quick.
Do you have your student ID?
My student ID? Where is it? I can't find it.
It's on the desk, right there.
Oh, thank you. Got it.
We don't have time to be perfect. Just grab everything. Do you have pens and pencils?
Yes, I packed them last night.
Good. What about an eraser?
An eraser. Yes, it's in my pencil case.
Do you have your textbook?
My textbook? Oh, wait. I know where it is.
Where?
On my desk, under some papers. Found it.
Good. Do you need any notes?
Notes? I don't know. Maybe?
Just bring them. Better to have them and not need them.
You're right. Here they are. I'm hungry. Can I eat something?
Ken, there's no time for breakfast.
Just a little? Maybe some bread?
No, you really don't have time. You can eat after the test.
But I'm so hungry.
I know, but the test is more important. Let's go.
Okay, you're right. Where are my keys?
Your keys? Did you check your jacket?
No, they're not there.
Look on the table, next to the TV.
Not there either. Where did I put them?
Wait, I found them. They were under the sofa cushion.
Under the cushion? Why were they there?
I don't know, but here you go.
Thank you. What about my wallet?
Your wallet is in your bag already. I put it there.
You're amazing. Really, thank you.
You're welcome. Now hurry up.
I'm almost ready, just need my shoes.
Come on, let's go. Put on your shoes.
I'm sorry, Mina. I'm sorry I overslept.
Don't worry about that now. Focus on getting to school.
I feel bad. You have to rush because of me.
It's fine. I want to help you. Now let's move.
Wait, did I lock the door?
Yes, I locked it. Don't worry.
You think of everything.
That's because you forget everything.
That's not nice, but it's true.
Come on, we need to run to the station.
Run already?
Yes, we have no time to walk slowly.
Okay, let's run.
We made it to the station.
Yes, but look, the train isn't here yet.
What? Where is it?
Let me check the board. The next train comes in 4 minutes.
4 minutes? That's too long.
It's not that bad. Just wait.
I hate waiting. I'm so nervous.
I know, but there's nothing we can do.
Maybe I should run to school. It might be faster.
Run to school? How far is it?
Maybe 20 minutes if I run really fast.
That's too risky. You'll be exhausted when the test starts.
But waiting here feels wrong. I'm so nervous.
I understand, but think about it. If you run, you might be very tired for the test.
That's true.
And what if you get lost or trip and fall?
You're right. Running is too dangerous.
The train is safe. You can rest a little on the train.
But what if the train is late?
It's not usually late. Let's trust the train.
Okay, I'll trust the train.
Good. That's the right decision.
I just wish I had woken up earlier.
I know, but we can't change the past.
You're right. I need to focus on now.
Exactly. One step at a time.
I'm really worried about the test. What if I'm late?
Try not to think about that. Think positive.
What if the teacher doesn't let me take the test?
You will make it. I believe in you.
I hope so. I really hope so.
Ken, what subject is the test for?
It's for my English class.
English? You're good at English.
I hope so. I studied a little last night.
Before you stayed up watching videos.
Yes, before that. I studied for about an hour.
That's good. You'll be fine.
I hope the test isn't too hard.
Even if it is, you can do it.
Thank you for believing in me.
Of course, that's what partners do.
You're amazing.
I know. Now stop talking and wait. Look, the train is coming.
Finally, let's get on.
Quick, before the doors close.
I'm right behind you. We're on the train. That's good.
Yes, now you can relax a little.
Relax? I can't relax. I'm too worried.
Try to take a deep breath.
Okay. In and out.
Better?
A little, but what time is it now?
It's 8:45.
Only 15 minutes left?
It's okay. The train ride is about 10 minutes.
10 minutes on the train, then 5 minutes to walk to school.
That's cutting it really close.
Way too close. We have to run from the station.
Ken, when we arrive at the station, we need to run.
I know. I'm ready to run.
Good. We have to run fast.
I haven't run in a long time. I'm not sure I can.
You can do it. It's not that far.
What if I run out of breath?
Then I'll push you.
That's not very helpful.
I'm joking, but seriously, you can do this.
Do you really think so?
Yes, I really do. You're stronger than you think.
Thank you. That means a lot to me. I'm just really nervous. My heart is beating really fast.
That's normal. Use that energy to run fast.
You always know what to say.
Someone has to be calm.
and I'm definitely not calm.
It's okay. I'm calm enough for both of us.
I'm lucky to have you.
I know.
You're supposed to say something nice back.
Okay. I'm lucky to have you too.
Thank you. I needed that. What station are we at now?
We just passed Midori Station. Our station is next.
Good. We're almost there. Listen, they're making an announcement. The next stop is Sakura Station. That's us.
Get ready to run.
I'm ready, I think.
Stand near the door. As soon as it opens, we go.
Okay, here we go.
The train is slowing down.
I can see the platform.
Ready?
Ready.
The door is opening. Now, run.
Let's go. I can't believe I made it.
See, I told you.
I arrived just before 9 o'clock. The teacher was just closing the door.
That was really close.
So close. One more minute and I would have missed it.
What did the teacher say?
She looked surprised to see me, but she let me in.
That's good. She could have said no.
I know. I was so relieved.
How was the test?
Actually, I think it went okay.
Really? That's great.
I was so nervous at first, but then I calmed down.
Did you answer all the questions?
Most of them. There were a few difficult ones.
But you finished?
Yes, I finished everything.
Did you have enough time?
Just barely. I finished right when the time was up.
That's good timing.
Yes, I was writing until the last second.
I'm so relieved.
Me too. This morning was crazy.
I never want to do that again.
Me neither. It was so stressful.
Remember how you couldn't find your keys?
Yes, they were under the cushion.
How did they even get there?
I have no idea. Maybe I sat on them?
That's so like you.
I need to be more organized.
Yes, you do. So why did you oversleep? What happened last night?
Well, I stayed up really late.
How late?
Until 3 in the morning.
3 in the morning? Why?
I was watching videos on my phone.
Ken, you knew you had a test today.
I know. It was stupid.
What videos were you watching?
Just some funny videos, and then I watched more and more.
That always happens with videos.
I know. I couldn't stop.
You need more self-control.
You're right. I need to be stronger.
What about your alarm? Didn't it ring?
It rang, but I turned it off and went back to sleep.
You turned it off without waking up properly?
I don't even remember doing it.
That's a problem.
I know. I need to change something.
What are you going to do?
First, I'll go to bed earlier. No more staying up until 3.
That's a good start.
And I'll set more alarms. I'll set them every 5 minutes.
How many?
Maybe 5 or 6?
5 or 6 alarms?
Is that too many?
No, I think you need that many.
I'll also put my phone far from my bed.
That's smart. Then you have to get up to turn it off.
Exactly. I can't turn it off while still in bed.
I think that will help a lot.
Maybe I can also ask you to wake me up.
You want me to be your alarm clock?
Just as a backup, please.
Fine, but only for important days.
Thank you. You're the best.
I know. You keep telling me that.
Because it's true. I hope so. I don't want to feel this stressed again.
It was scary, wasn't it?
Very scary. My heart was beating really fast all morning.
Well, now it's over. You did it.
Thanks to you. I couldn't have done it alone.
Of course you could have. You're stronger than you think.
Maybe, but having you there really helped.
That's what I'm here for.
Next time, I promise I won't oversleep.
Don't make promises you can't keep.
You don't believe me?
Let's just say I'll believe it when I see it.
Fair enough, but I'll try my best.
That's all I ask.
Anyway, I'm hungry now. Want to get some lunch?
Sure, you didn't eat breakfast after all.
I know. I've been starving all morning.
What do you want to eat?
Anything.
Everything. I'm so hungry.
Let's go to the cafeteria then.
Sounds perfect. Let's go.
Do you have money?
Yes, my wallet is... Wait, where is it?
It's in your bag, remember?
Oh, right. You put it there this morning.
What would you do without me?
I would probably be hungry and lost.
At least you know it.
I do. I really do.
And Ken,
Yes,
you know tonight, go to bed early.
I will. I promise.
And no videos after midnight.
No videos after midnight. Got it.
Good.
You know, today was crazy, but I learned something.
What did you learn?
I learned that I need to be more careful.
That's good.
And I learned that I have an amazing partner.
Stop trying to be sweet.
I'm serious. You really helped me today.
Well, you're welcome.
Let's go eat. I'm starving.
Okay, let's go.
Today was hard, but tomorrow will be better.
Yes, it will. As long as you don't oversleep again.
I'll try my best.
That's all I can ask for.
How was it? I hope you enjoyed the story and learned some useful English. Now, let's look at today's question one more time. Today's question: why did Ken oversleep? The answer was clearly mentioned in the video. Did you catch it? If you know the answer, please write it in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English more effectively. On this channel, I share slow and easy English stories to help beginners feel confident listening to and using English. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. Also, I recently started Super Thanks. If this video was helpful and you would like to support the channel, I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye!